Hi, my name is Chris, and I live in Cheyenne, Wyoming for 25, almost 26 years now, and I love it. We first came here from Fort Collins, and my husband got a job, and I'm like, where are you taking me? And how far north is it? So of course, like everybody else I've heard, they looked at a map and realized Cheyenne, Wyoming is not near Canada. So we came up and we looked around, and my husband's job and the folks there and everybody from day one were so nice. I had, even in Fort Collins, living there for over 3.5 years, had not found people so friendly that I had in Cheyenne, Wyoming. So I stayed, even though I came in here when it was very nice out. There was no wind, but hey, you know what? You live with it. You know you have wind, and then you just take care of it. And that's what we do, and it's just great. I love the weather. And one day it's snowing and blizzard, the next day it's all melted away. And that's just how I've gotten used to it in all these years. Our daughter was born here, and she was going to be 27, so I guess I've lived here longer than that. I've lived here 27 years. So, excuse me. And I think I enjoy it mostly for the people. I know a lot of folks say that, but it really is for the people. And I also love Wyoming. If you've never traveled through the other parts of the state, please do. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. The state is amazing. My son was born in Denver, and kind of a city boy, but he had gone up to Sheridan and a riding camp, and his car broke down, and he says, Mom, you know what? You're right. 3 people stopped to help me, and all it was a flat tire. I had no idea, and I didn't have the equipment. First person stopped, and they had some of the equipment. The second person stopped, and the guy goes, I think I've got this. He goes, no, it looks like you need this. The third person stopped, says, no, I've got something even better. And everybody came in and helped him. And then he fell in love with Wyoming. So thank you, Cheyenne, and thank you for Wyoming for staying true to who you are, as we try to stay true to who we are in loving Wyoming.